Hey there, Courtney Cole here. Thank you all for swinging by my channel today. Today is, I'm going to fix my settings here, sorry about that. Okay, today is April 29th, 2018. And I have had many requests to put out my new do-it-yourselfers. And I have not had a chance to do it in the past month. I've been very, very busy with other projects and things. But I did mention it the other day that I was going to put those out sometime this week. So it being Sunday, I'm working overtime here to get these out to you as soon as possible. And it's really, really important that I get these out to you. They've been available for quite some, maybe a month or two. The new ones, I have not put them out there yet because I wanted to make sure that the packages are sufficient and ready to go and that they work. So we're going to go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to let you know all the packages that are brand new so you can add to your collection. Okay, in case you're wondering who I am, Courtney Cole with Cole's Credit Repair. If you're swinging by for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Really, really important to get all the updates emailed to you. We have had the credit repair service discount for $2.99. That's until May 31st. The do-it-yourself packages start at $150. They're not all $150, but most of them are. And that special is good till May 31st, 2018. I do have a buy three, get one free. The one free will need to be at the $150 value, okay? Alright, so here are basically any packages that do not have a price next to them. Assume that they are $150. And the other packages that have prices next to them are going to be a higher price. Alright, so the new packages that I have, that I'm offering, are absolutely incredible and well needed for you all to eliminate that debt. So I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a brief description by the ones that I didn't type the descriptions in yet. So here we go. So we have the collection account elimination. This is a validation letter. It's a different one because the one that I've got is $350, actually on sale for $250. Which is a different package, but this one here also includes the non-response letter and failure to validate. Okay, so it comes in a really, really nice package for $150 to dispute those collections that are coming in. How to remove the bankruptcy. This is a 3-step process, which is brand new, very simple to do, and you can get your bankruptcy literally removed within 30 days or less using this process. Okay? I have a brand new check system removal. Actually, it's an updated package that I have created. Alright, that includes the letters and instructions to get you out of check systems. I have how to remove tax liens specifically for those who just want to remove the tax liens off the credit report instead of just having to do the entire credit repair service. We do offer that service. Now, for those who would like to sue maybe some collections, some attorneys, or if you are wanting to possibly file a case against the credit bureaus or whatever it may be, we have a package called How to Sue and Win, which entails a lot of great information on that subject. The other one, we have the Cease the Phone Calls. That is for those who are getting calls from debt collectors and things that need to stop the phone calls. When they call after hours or they keep asking you questions, you know basically what to say to them and how to get them to stop. The Student Loan Discharge Kit is a brand new updated kit that kind of tells you exactly what you need to do to discharge your loan. 100 ways to get rid of a loan. This would be any kind of loan at all. And I'll just give you a little secret that has to do with loan forgiveness. So that's what that package is about and how to go about doing that. How to apply for credit cards. Very easily, two-step process on the Citibank and the Capital One card. You can apply very easily for those cards as well. How to remove medical accounts. So instead of just going through the credit repair service for $150, if you've got a whole bunch of medical accounts on your credit report, derogatory accounts, you can use that package to do that as well. Same to go with the how to remove the late payments. Normally we do the credit service for that as well. But if you just have the late pays that you need to update to current, they do take 35% of your score. So that would be a great package to purchase as well. Now we have two inquiry removal packages. One is to do by phone and the other one is an administrative process. The one that you do by phone, of course, is faster. That could take up to a day or two to get those all removed off the credit report. And the other one is if you want it documented, it's done by mail, and that takes about to complete about 30 to 60 days. We still have the IRS termination letter, where it's 5 pages exposing the fraud to IRS that will guarantee you never to hear from them again. That is a very, very strong package. Basically, you just put in your information. If you received a bill from the IRS or any kind of threats or anything, you could send that letter along, and you should not hear from them again. How to travel without a driver's license. Those are for those who have their license suspended, or have their registration up for renewal, or their tags have expired. This is a great document that's included that you can literally carry in your car in case you get pulled over, to justify that reason why your paperwork is not updated. We have, let's see, how to get new credit and rebuild bad credit. Oh, this is a really good one too. For those who have gone through the credit repair and you've got pretty much everything off that you need, all the derogatory accounts and things, they're gone, then this is a great package to have to be able to rebuild your credit, because you have to kind of replace what you've taken off the credit report. You have to replace it with accounts, open accounts, whether it be a loan or a credit card. It tells you for students how to get the secured and unsecured credit cards. It's a great little package to help you get that score increased even more. Okay? Alright, so that's that one there. Okay, one of my most popular packages is that do-it-yourself summons refusal. A lot of people, I notice a lot of my clients are getting summons these days, and you guys are just waiting way too long to get something that there's a way to avoid that, of course, with the debt collection elimination letter. But when you get the summons, that means a judgment has pretty much already been issued, which is going to show up on your credit report. They can also garnish your wages or your bank account, okay, if you don't do something about it when you refuse a summons. Simply, you write on a few things on it and send it back. It's just very simple to do, can be done literally within 5 minutes. And also, it's good for traffic tickets. Those tickets are summons as well. Basically, they're just an invitation to do business, and you're just doing it via neutral consent, which is just denying the paperwork back to the sender, letting them know that you refuse to contract. Alright, the do-it-yourself rescind all contracts basically is a package to remove yourself from the contracts with the government, such as your driver's license, the birth certificate, social security card, the passport. All of these, even the marriage license, all of these are contracts with the government, and there literally is a way to totally cancel those out using our package there. We also can have a separate package to rescind your social security number. We also include the secrets to the Social Security number so you understand exactly what you're doing before you rescind it, and you can cancel your number permanently. Another really popular package is the do-it-yourself second Social Security number package. And this is over 80 pages of great information. How to get an EIN, TIN, and second Social Security number. You are allowed 3 Social Security numbers in your lifetime. And so basically, if you need to rebuild credit or anything like that, you can use this number. In addition to that, it includes how to find out if someone's using your Social Security number, how to basically fill out the forms and things to request one. Alright, and it even has letter templates. Very, very helpful information. It has some credit repair letters in there as well. There's a great little package there, all for $150. If you have a traffic ticket, we do have the ticket elimination package, which is letter templates just to fill in and then send into the court to refuse that contract. The do-it-yourself foreclosure elimination, this is if you are about to go into foreclosure, not if you're already foreclosed on. And this includes step-by-step instructions how to save your home from foreclosure. One of my biggest packages yet is the do-it-yourself mortgage elimination package, which I discounted from $500 to $450. And this cancels all payments tied to your mortgage, including the property taxes, even the excise tax. I mean, everything that's tied to the mortgage is completely canceled with this one-step process. It's a very detailed package, and I created that myself with a couple of letters in there, how to make claim on the deed of the property or the deed of trust, and basically how to record properly. And it's got a lot of great information in there to make the claim on your home, which is a claim that you've never made before. And you are making those payments as a tenant, by the way. You're a renter for your mortgage. And if you guys don't believe me, definitely research that information. But this package is absolutely incredible, and I explain in the package exactly what it all means. The do-it-yourself loan elimination killer page, 15-pager letter is for loans that are not in default. Okay, so it's basically kind of geared towards the mortgage. This package is so if you want a really good debt validation letter for the mortgage, that do-it-yourself loan elimination package is excellent. And that's actually really good to use before doing the mortgage elimination, and in conjunction with it as well. The basic credit repair package, we've gotten a lot of requests for this lately. I've reduced it from $350 to $250. That includes letter templates, laws, and instructions to boost your score in 2 to 3 weeks. That typically includes how to dispute the negative accounts off your credit report. If you want, how to do the late pays, how to update the profile, how to do inquiry removal, you'll need to get the credit repair business package. That new price is $450, reduced from $500, and includes the letters and instructions, as well as one training video, how to market your business, how to advertise your business. I also give you the rights to the package for profit, not to sell the package, but to use it for profit for business. And that's what that is there. And it looks like I included a free rebuild new credit repair packet. That is if you pay immediately upon your first inquiry, you will get the free rebuild new credit package with that. Okay. Alright, so what I talked about before was the debt collector student loan package. This is this really can be for any collections that you've got out there, any account that's in default. This can be used as a cease and desist, constructive notice, debt verification letter. Basically, we ask questions they can't answer, guaranteed, therefore making the debt completely void. That's a letter template you just fill in using my instructions. last but not least, the debt collector elimination service. We're offering using a very special letter to be able to get your accounts completely eliminated, and we work directly with the debt collector themselves. This is not a credit repair dispute process. This is an administrative process for that. Alright, very good. So that's all the do-it-yourself packages, and we do have an affiliate program for those who want to refer customers to us. We do pay $25 per referral. You can ask me for more information. We also offer the tax services for those who, I guess, now are late on your taxes filing for 2017. We can help you do have an estimate done, okay, online, and also have your taxes done online too. And it's it's done very quickly. This company, we use a third party outsource, and they will get you a refund if you're due one before the IRS even issues it. They can give you a portion of the refund early. So it's a great company to work with. Also, CPNs and trade lines, we still offer that service as well through third party, and funding for those who have scores over 680. There are certain qualifications to meet, but we do offer funding for up to $250,000. So if you're interested in getting some funds, definitely let me know. So where to get all this information, where to buy, email me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com. Also, the information is listed below. Put ready to purchase in the subject line. Please make sure that you have funds in hand. And the accepted forms of payment is bank deposit, Cash App, Google Wallet, money order, cashier, check, debit card, bank draft payments with Google Wallet, and Zelle Pay. And we can accept PayPal as well for certain packages too. So please don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment on the video, thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, so really exciting with these new packages that have come out, which I'm offering at least a half a dozen new ones. So definitely pause the video if you want to read some of the descriptions, or you can just email me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com to get a copy of this document here. Please don't forget to share the video out. Subscribe as well, really important to do that. Share to social media and the friends and family that you care about. I'm sure there's somebody out there that could use these services. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.